Hello, welcome to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Well, a video that shouldn't have been a video, but turned out to be a video. How about that? Get that? No, this one is, I'm doing the intro here because I actually started it and I wasn't intending it to be a video. And I'm messing about with it. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to video it. And I ended up doing video clips on it. So you're going to see it. It's a Budgie Toys Rover 90, number 19, I think it is. You'll see as we go along anyway. So have a look at the video, see what you think. Now remember, it wasn't supposed to be a video. It was just me messing about, experimenting. You'll see two vehicles in this, but one disappears because it's that's why I decided to make it into a video. So have a look, see what you think. Look forward to your comments. And as always, welcome aboard any new subscribers and welcome back all the old subscribers. Okie doke. Watch the video, see what you think. Catch you later. Okay, just as a bit of fun. Cast your mind back to a couple of months ago when I got a box of really badly corroded bits and bobs and junk and stuff like this. So just for a bit of fun, I'm going to stick them in the wrapper rust overnight just to see what happens. So in with one, in with two. Give it a bit of a shake. I'm going to leave it there, see what happens. You never know. With the lid on. And we'll see the results when I take it out and see if it's made any difference. Okay, let's try and get these out of this Rust-Oleum, not rust, evapor rust, and see what we got, shall we? That's one, and no, we'll get it in a minute. There it is. Two. Okay, let's just put the lid back on it. So this is the fourth time this is being used. Alright, so let's have a quick look. I'm not going to mess too much with it. Fairly clean. It obviously was red, whatever this is. There's the corrosion on the side there, look. Okay, it's got most of the other crud off. I'm not sure what make this is actually. I'm not sure if it's a Crescent, Budgie, or it's an English build. It's certainly not a Matchbox. It's made in England. It could be a Crescent, it could be whatever, I don't know. It's a number 19 and it's a Rover 90. Apart from that corrosion on that front wing, she's not too bad. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the ultrasonic cleaner now. This is definitely an early Matchbox. Let's clean that up nice, up to a point anyway. Not perfect, but yeah. Still a lot of crap around there, but I think this will come up nice. I think one of the axle stays are broken at the back there. I think this one here. So I'm going to put these in the ultrasonic, and see, I'm picking both up at the same time. There you go. And we'll go over to the ultrasonic, and we'll put them in there. We'll drop them in there. Okay, and I'll set this going. I'm not going to switch it on now because otherwise it's going to interfere. All right, and we'll come back when it's finished. Here's our two little corroded beasts. Let's deal with this one first. That's come out quite well actually. A lot of the corrosion's come off. Now it's obviously been in the evapor rust for say 48 hours, a couple of days. Then it was in the ultrasonic for 50 minutes. Get it all the rubbish out of it. There is still one or two bits now with the axles. As we know, that one's broken, corroded away, but it's still there. The wheels are all right. The front, the axle's corroded, but I think we can save it. Now what I did, I sprayed a load of WD-40 inside here, and I've actually got the front wheels to turn. Look, there you go. So I freed the front wheels up. These are metal hubs. So now I've done all that, I can feel confident enough to take the axle out if I can get it out. Get the axle out, and then we can put that paint stripper on it. Not the caustic soda, because I think that'll finish it off, but because it's still a good bit of paint on here, and then we can repaint it and fix that there. So yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it? Considering what it started off like, it didn't fall apart, and I think we'll be able to save this one. So that's that one. Not so much for this one. I took it out, did the same process as with this one. I still can't work it out, get the base out, but I'll look again in a minute. But unfortunately, this side's great, back's good, that side up to a point is okay, but then look at that. I just poked that hole through there because you could see it was a little tiny penhole was collapsing, so just get rid of it. So that's a shame. I don't know. I bought a set of these. They're cheapo in a pound shop. Yeah, different sizes, curves and stuff. You got like the curves. And I thought we can, you know, perhaps use them to get rid of some of the corrosion, and a knife, and do whatever you can. I'm going to try, because it's really, if you look closely, you can see. Look at that. I'm going to try and sand and file this to get the roughness off it, and then try building it up with filler. So get some body filler. I got some body filler, and try and fill up body filler and try and recreate that shape. If it doesn't work out, I haven't lost anything. I'm at the end of the day. Or the other option is clean up the rest of the casting, because the roof needs doing. It's not too bad. It's starting to go there, as you can see, bubbles now around it. Clean up the rest of the casting with a wire wheel. Spray it with clear lacquer. Put some wheels on it. I use some of these Matchbox wheels actually on there. I think it would fit. Same type of thing. And leave it as is, because that is bad. That is bad. If I just do it in clear lacquer, that'll keep hold of it. It's all been cleaned. I need to get his base off really, because it's got there's still a lot of crap inside, and I'm not sure some of them you can just spread that and pull it apart, but it seems that something's old in it, but I can't see what it is. It might be front to back, I don't know. Oh, here we go. It is front to back. So we'll pull that out there and try and pull that out. Oh, there we go. Now we got it. Oh yeah, it was just two little lugs. It's still got a lot of crap inside there. Yeah. So we'll see, even the rust, evapor rust didn't get that out. So I'm going to dig this out, clean it all out. There you go. So that's where we are with this at the minute. I reckon this has been in the soil, buried somewhere. Not just a shed, that's been underground. That's caked on thick mud. Okay, right, let me clean the inside of this out, and then do some wire brushing on it. I'll get back to you with a decision what we're going to do with this. Right, just a quick one. As you can see, I've done a lot of filing, sanding to get this into some sort of shape before I put the filler on it. I managed to keep some of that curved line going around there. This might be a bit messy just in there, because you've got, as you can see here, you've got that main light, and then you've got part of the wing, a main light and part of the wing. This is going to be a bit messy, but yeah, I'm going to try it. going to try it. So I've got some body filler and hardener. I'm going to try it. So I'll get back to you. Here we go. This after I put some body filler on it. It's not looking too bad. I've just put a coat of primer on just to see where we are at. Should I say? It wants a bit more filling, but majority of it isn't too bad. It's a bit here. I get a pointer of some sort. Get here. It's a bit there. I've got to bring that out a tad. Where it's thinned in a bit there. It's almost like a dent, but it's not. It's where it's got eaten away. If you can see, if I can get it sort of like that, you'll see the difference between this damaged side and the other side. What's coming out slightly. So this is what it's coming on. You know, it's better than I thought it was going to be. You know, it's not going to be perfect. Don't get me wrong. But it'll be usable. It's salvageable. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm going to work on that. I'll probably work on that tomorrow now because I'm doing this in between other jobs. Alrighty, this is the second coat of filler after that first one we did, and I've built up this side now. As you can see, that's pretty good now. I don't think I'm going to get it much better than that now. We'll see. I'm going to put some primer on it again, and then we'll see where we are with it. Because if I go too much, it'll start showing the holes again and everything else. So yeah, I'll try to recreate that little flute in there. We'll see. Maybe I've gone back too far, but I can always sand that down again. We'll have a look. I'll put some grey primer on it to see where we are. But yeah, it's getting better. Look. Yeah, it's getting there. Not the best in the world, but it's all good fun, all good practice. You get it, you get it. You don't, yeah. You don't know till you try. Who you dares wins, Rodney. Who you dares wins. Okay, look then. Here's our little Budgie Toys Rover 90. Now you must admit that's a lot better now. Just got to do a bit more wet and drying around here to smooth it off a little bit. It's a bit tacky at the minute because I've been spraying it, filling it, spraying it, so there's quite a build up of grey around here, so I need to sort that out. But yeah, the shape wise, I mean, it's not perfect, don't get me wrong. I mean, to try and get these flutes in here, I've got that one in, but it's difficult trying to get it right. I've filled the body out as we saw last time, got the bonnet looking straight, so yeah, I think that's pretty good for one of these tiny things. Yeah, so now I'm going to put some, just going to finish rubbing that off, rubbing that down, and I want to get some paint on it. Okay, and then I've got to find some wheels for it. The only thing I couldn't do was replicate that arch, that very thin bead on there, but it's better than it was. It's been saved. So there you go. Get some paint on it. Okay, that's our little Rover, all painted, lacquered. It's the Rover Vermilion Orange, or red as they will call it. So yeah, you can see. So we got a bit of a thumbprint on that. It wants cleaning off. But yeah, because I've been handling it, it's getting a bit of smears on it. There you go. Yeah, so that's turned out nice. So I'm going to do some details now. The radiator headlights. I'll put the wheels back on. I nicked some off on an old matchbox. But yeah, and it's a roller. So I think that is pretty good. It's showing a bit bright orange in this, but it's not. It's like a dark orange. Vermilion orange, if you know your paints. Yeah, so I'm just going to do a bit of detail painting on this. I shan't do it on camera because this wasn't supposed to be a proper video. It's just to It started off with me just messing about with it. I thought I'd take a few pictures, and I thought, you know what, I've got to video it. So there's no proper intro or anything. So I'm going to get these details painted on here, and then I'll show you what it's like when it's all done. Here we go. There's our little Budgie Toys Rover done. Yeah, it was just a bit of fun. It started off as an experiment to see what I could do, and turned out to be a video. So yeah, have a look, see what you think. It turned out better than I expected bodywork wise. A lot of the mouldings at the front, moulding on the radiator grille, has faded away, but I couldn't replicate that. But we've got the headlights in place, bumper, door handles, suicide doors on this one. Yeah. Well, drop a comment in the bottom, see what you think, let me know, and I'll see you all again shortly with another restoration. Bye for now. Be lucky, be happy, stay safe.